Hello everybody, my name is Philip Hoskins, I'm the director of Fasttel. This is our newest product. It's a full SIP door intercom with glass with a touchscreen and a keypad that can be as well as a standalone keypad as a Wigand output. Here we have a nice integration with the e-key finger reader, all integrated in the aluminium frame. Here on the bottom you see also a separate keypad with a full RGB lighting, so you can change colors in whatever color you want. So here we have in the intercom, we have a full color display, which you can upload, of course, the logo of the client. So when I make a call, there is call a lady who says welcome. You can change the text yourself, of course. You have animation showing that the call is busy. And also when the call has finished, it will say the conversation is ended. Here we have a fob reader, which also can be used as a standalone or as a Wigand output. Thank you for watching and visit our website at fasttel.com.